Good morning and welcome back from 126. My name's Roger and welcome aboard Motor Vessel Echo, our 38XO. So this video is going to be a little bit different than what we've done in the past. We're actually just going to take you along on a trip with us over to Herrington Harbor South, which is a resort up here on the Chesapeake Bay. It's got a pool, it's got a beach, it's quite the and a beautiful marina as well. So we're going to take you down there and just show you how we enjoy the 38, and just show you what it's like living on board. A little bit more of the day-to-day stuff. So stay tuned, and we enjoy bringing you along with the trip. So I do a couple things maybe a little bit different in terms of my dock and setting things up so it's really nice and easy. So if you kind of look right here, we have our hose connected up, and it's already tied into the pedestal. And then also you'll see a shore power cord. If you notice, the shore power cord comes around as an extension, so I don't have to pull out the shore power on the back of the boat. It just makes it a lot easier, and it stays there on the dock. I just disconnect it, and yeah, so it just makes it a lot easier rather than pulling your shore power cord out every single time you come back. Just little tips and tricks to make things a little easier for you. So I wanted to show you what ProFender looks like. So see this? This is ProFender. It's an amazing fender system, and that way I don't have to put fenders out and that sort of thing when you come up. It really protects the boat. Again, it's filled with a it's not inflatable, it's filled with like a closed cell foam, and just an amazing fender system. You can find them in the US called ProFender. Super happy with them. Yeah, totally awesome. ProFender. Get ready to go. My absolute favorite button on the boat. You're not in it, don't worry.
I'm not your favorite button?
Okay. The favorite button that turns on in a second. Is this one here. Starts all three engines at one time. I don't know, just something about that's kind of cool to me. Go for a boat ride? You ready to go for a boat ride? Yeah? Charlie's ready, we're ready. So what we do is, again, this is one of the things we do with the docks. You notice the shore power that's sitting right here is all these lines that we have stay on the dock, so that when we come back, everything's set up for us to easily dock. So now I'm just taking the lines off and off we go.
Mahomes!
Amanda had caffeine. And she's holding the dogs. So we're underway to Herrington Harbor South. It's actually kind of a calm day out there, other than the freighter traffic. And we're doing about 30 knots, about 36 miles an hour. Do you have anything to add there, Sparky?
No.
No?
I like 40 knots.
She wants to go faster. we were doing the 30, she goes, no, go faster. I want to go faster, 40 knots. I think I saw Charlie go airborne momentarily. So we'll be at Herrington Harbor South in 30 minutes. Located on the Chesapeake Bay in Maryland, Herrington Harbor has 600 boat slips, lodging, dining, and wedding venues, and a very large swimming pool. You can take a walk along the beach and even through the gardens. This place really has everything. Additionally, you can stay at the inn at Harrington Harbor if you are unable to stay on your boat. Is it dinner time? I think it is. So this is where we keep the puppy food. It's very convenient. Charlie's still waiting, but he doesn't know his dinner's coming yet. Charlie is a very good eater, as you can see. We have to tie his hair back. You ready to eat? Okay. Charlotte, on the other hand, well, she's unique like a girl. Rugs on Amazon, they're completely washable. So when we get done with a trip, we just literally, hi Charlie, throw it in the wash, and that's ready for the next trip. And it's also got a nice rubber backing, so it won't slide anywhere. Toy storage. What, Charlie? Hi. What? It is TV hour. Sometimes we watch TV inside and outside. That's the benefit of this boat. But right now we're watching it inside. Charlotte, as you can see, TV. Charlotte is being Charlotte there. And Charlie's being Charlie here. So we had put in a filler cushion that fills in this area here, which, to be honest with you, is kind of, I don't know, makes the whole boat. Mm-hmm. Although it is a little small with 2 dogs and 2 of us sitting on it, it can get a little small sometimes. So again, something that might precipitate a change in the future. But anyhow, so this is was it Sunday night? Sunday night, watching America's Got Talent on the boat in a marina. We'll be heading outside here shortly. We're just waiting for the sun to set down. Hi, bed making duties. Making a boat bed is not fun. Making, Charlotte, hang on. Hi, back again. So, boat bed making is probably the most unfun thing you've ever done in your life. This is particularly challenging because headroom. You may wonder why we don't sleep in the V berth up there, and that's because there isn't enough room for myself, Amanda, and our 2 little dogs. Come on, because these guys take up a lot of room. Are you gonna let me make the bed? Make sure you stretch in the morning before you do this, and I'm sure I will not look flattering doing this. All right, here we go. Okay, so it's not perfect, but it gets the job done. Somebody's waiting for her bed to be made. But here you go. 1 boat bed made, and I've completed my workout for the day. So mornings are pretty much this. It's one of the things we enjoy the most about the boat is this rear area here. Just absolutely fantastic. And just sit and enjoy the weather. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. I think fall's coming just a little early this year. We've had temperatures down to the low 60s here, and it's the end of August. So Amanda's getting, what the hell's on my shirt? Oh, it's a it's a shadow of a microphone. I'm like, what
Now I know who Charlie takes after.
All right, so morning routine, taking showers on the boat. Now, from our experience of being boaters for as long as we have come up, or Amanda has come up with, towels that work extremely well on boats, and that is, what are they called? Turkish towels. So you can see here, this is 2 towels and 2 hand towels, and they're very small and they're very thin, which means they dry very quickly.
And they're very long.
I'm
5'3" and I think it's taller than me.
So Amanda's 5'3" and it's taller than her. So I'm gonna turn this around here. So we use this little area here, but you can see the towel hanging right here to dry the towels off at night. So do we just leave them hanging out at night? It's one of the problems on boats, you know, things stay wet. Actually, not Charlotte. She wants up there with you.
Get me? Because I don't want to be in it.
No, I'm not. Yeah. So what do we do to keep things dry on a boat? Very simply, dehumidifiers. So when we're gone on the boat, when we're not on the boat, we keep a dehumidifier running all the time, and the water dumps into the shower bilge. But when we're on the boat, we keep it running as well. And so here's our little dehumidifiers. You can see how small it is. But it dumps, we dump about 2 gallons in the morning and 2 gallons at night of water out of the dehumidifier, both morning and night. And it shows you how much water's being pulled out of the air. But the great thing is you take your showers and you keep the dehumidifier running like we just did. And if you notice, Amanda just came out of the shower. You can see already how things are drying out from the shower. So that's one of the reasons why we don't have any smells on board the boat. Smells on board the boat are not from, you know, head tank. I mean, it can be, but 9 times out of 10, it's 2 things. Number 1, you got water in your bilges. And number 2 is you're not running dehumidifiers. And FYI, the dehumidification settings on the air conditioners are not enough to keep the humidity level low enough not to keep smells coming. Charlie, what are you doing? Huh? What do you... No. Whenever I try to come out here in video, this is what I have to deal with. Where are you going? No, this is not adventure time. No. Charlie. No. Charlie. Charlie. So anyhow, why am I sitting on the floor? And that's because of this right here. It's made by Clearsource. You can find it online. I think it's Clearsource. I forget what the... Anyhow, do a Google search for Clearsource. So I get a lot of comments from people in the boating world that say, oh, after about 2 or 3 weeks, my water starts to smell on board the boat. And my opinion, the reason for that is because you have a ton of impurities in the water. I mean, it doesn't matter if it's municipal water. Well, obviously municipal water here. But Charlie... Really? Charlie, come here. Charlie, this is not... No, we're not... No, we're not doing this. Turn around. Turn around. Yeah. Come on. You got to turn around. Yeah, no. Charlie, come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Good boy. Come on. Get your butt back there. Come on. Yes, I know. I put this up. That was Betty's fault. Come on. I'll put this down now. Yes. Okay. So, going back to the Clearsource. So, in my opinion, the reason why your boat water is smelling is because you have a ton of impurities in there. We use Clearsource, so these are a 5 micron, 1 micron, and a carbon filter here. And the carbon filter gets rid of all your viruses and that sort of thing. So after we use this for a season, so we have 2 of these. One we take with us, which comes with this really nice hefty bag, as you can see. And again, they don't give us any money. We don't ask for any money off, but yeah. So they give us a really nice hefty carry bag, and this gets stored inside the boat. And it's able to be carried. And we have one on our dock. and the one on their dock we have bolted down. Anyhow, if you use this kind of a system, I pretty much guarantee you're not going to have any smells in your waters. But if we use this for an entire season, you should see the filters. I mean, they're almost like dark brown. It's pulled out all these impurities and everything from all the water. The other thing is when you wash your boat, you won't have any of those, a lot of the water spots that it gets rid of. We're able to almost spray the boat off and barely have any water spots on the boat. Slip right now, just a little pulses the throttle. See our progress. See the inches change in gears. And just slowing them up. Why I love the Regal products, specifically the 38, what we're on right now. So fairly calm seas right now, and see here, we're doing 34.4 miles an hour. We're still doing a 0.6 nautical miles per gallon. So that's about 41 miles an hour, doing 0.6 nautical miles per gallon. I mean, it's just amazing. Fueling. Amanda's chit-chatting with Scott. So you got to pay the piper. It's only about 130 gallons, which isn't that bad for 3.5 hours of running. No, let's see, an hour and a half, about 3 hours, 25 minutes running. It's just really efficient, in my opinion. So you're probably wondering why I'm standing in front of our boat and why our boat is out of the water. Well, remember when I said in the video that we might go slightly bigger on a boat? Some things that we wanted to change on the inside? Well, we kind of did. But you're all probably wondering, what boat did we get? Is it a Regal? I guess you're gonna have to wait and see, because you're gonna see the new boat in 3, 2, 1. Yep, I was not gonna make it that easy. Please like and subscribe, so as soon as the next episode comes out, you'll be notified and you can find out what we bought. Can someone say refit incoming? As always, thanks again for all of your support. We truly appreciate you as our viewers.